Hey everybody, I'm doing a hotel review on this one with some Turkish words included because Turkish people love you speaking to them in their own language. You get better service. Today I'm at the Tui Blue Barut Andiz Hotel. Here we go. And it's in Side. It's a fabulous hotel, I've got to say. I really have got to say. First, from the moment... We're only here for 2 days. We've gone coming on a flying visit to do a hotel review. From the moment I've walked into reception, they treat you like royalty, like you're an old friend. They can't do enough for you. They're fabulous. So a nice, simple merhaba, hello. Merhaba is hello in Turkish. Merhaba, merhaba, hello. They can't do enough for you. We booked in on a standard room and they gave us an automatic upgrade to a lot nicer, bigger room. I'm Jingle Jeff. I expect that. Let me show you our room. It's fabulous. So you come into the front bit. You've got a shower there. You've got our sink. Separate toilet. Okay, a nice walk-in area. It's very spacious. Here's our bed. Couch. TV. We also got a complimentary bottle of red wine, which is amazing. So good. How nice is that? And then our view from our bed is this. Let me show you. It's fabulous. Come outside. Let's go and have a look. Here we go. Yeah, so we've stayed in lots of hotels, done lots of reviews, and out of all of them, Turkey has massive hotels, really big, and as it's an honest review, this is a smaller hotel, but don't let that put you off, because this is one of my favourites at the moment. It's awesome. There's just one pool, but it's beautiful, and it's got a jacuzzi in it. Let's go and have a look. Here we go. And the beach is so close. It's literally a few minutes down the road. Here's our pool. It really is pretty. Okay, so let's see what the facilities they've got. There's one pool, but it's really, really nice. There's one pool. We have a jacuzzi in it. We've also got 3 bars. There's a pool bar, a lobby bar, and then there's a sunset bar on the roof. All 3 serve lots of different drinks. One of the things in reviews is people don't tell you whether the drinks are nice, whether they're good. Okay, so on this one, the drinks are, you have to pay for the expensive brands like your Jack Daniels and things like that. But what is included is you've got Jim Beam. I love my bourbon. Jim Beam's brilliant. You've got Gordon's Pink Gin, Gordon's Ordinary. You've got Smirnoff Vodka. So you've got branded drinks here. It really is good. Another Turkish word, please in Turkish. Lütfen. 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 You have to keep practicing your Turkish. So as I said, the staff are really, really friendly. Can't do enough for you. There's a restaurant, which is a buffet service, and there's also a snack bar. But the snack bar it's waiter service. I love being waited on. Jingle Jeff likes being waited on. And you go and sit down, order your food, and it's brought over to your table. The snack bar changes into the specialty restaurant at night time. As I say, we're only here for two nights. I've left it a bit late. I've just got and tried to book in, and they're fully booked. But as I say, the staff are so friendly. They can't do enough for you. So they fitted me in, even though they're busy. That's how nice they are. The Tui Blue in Side really is one of my favourite hotels. I am coming back here. It's amazing. There's a hairdresser's. You can get your nails done, girls. There's a spa where you can have massages. What else can we say about it? Let's do another Turkish word whilst we're on the subject. have to say thank you in Turkish. It's really important. Teşekkürler. 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 Practice. You get the hang of it. Teşekkürler. Thank you. Teşekkürler. Teşekkürler. Thank you. Yeah, right. What else can we tell you about the hotel? Sunset Bar. We went up there last night, had amazing drinks. Then he did a surprise show, brought in loads of dancers doing acrobats, jumping up and down, upside down. It was amazing. It really was. Another Turkish word quickly. Okay, we'll go with goodbye. Hoşça kal. Or another word for goodbye in Turkish is güle güle. So, güle, güle, güle güle. Or goodbye. Hoşça kal. Hoşça kal. Hoşça kal. There you go. So, to wrap things up, I think I've talked about basically everything they've got here. It's a fabulous hotel. The staff can't do enough for you. The views are amazing. You're right by the beach. It's spotlessly clean. There's no dirt, paper, rubbish anywhere. Tables are immaculate. Food's fantastic. It's made fresh from everything, from the starters up to the desserts. And the desserts are amazing. Absolutely fabulous. I think I've covered everything. I think the staff make this hotel because the staff are so friendly and they really can't do enough for you. I think the hotel's won awards anyway, but on my own recommendation, I would say to everybody, come to this hotel, the Tui Blue, Barut in Side. It's fabulous. You won't be disappointed. You'll have an amazing time, I guarantee it. Okay, so Jingle Jeff's going to sign out from his balcony. Here we go. It's awesome. Everybody, come here. See you later.